I'm in SEI now, but guys, this is just a local trade, only 1.5x leverage, almost double X. And I want to hold this trade at least to the breakout structure. That's why the leverage is small one, right? What's the point of that leverage? Is I open that trades, when I just want to open trade, at stop loss, for example, to the last low under the 4 cents 8, for example. And if we drop it down, it will be okay. It's just normal stop loss. But with this type of position, I will not pay a lot of money for the funding, right? And I can hold for long run. Longer. I don't need to open every single day they trade and worry what's going on. Are we 5% up or 20% up or what's going on? So this is like a positional trades. That's why I open it, and the entry was like 5:10.63. Now we're not so far from that entry. I added alert yesterday, basically on video of Sui. I showed you my zone of interest also. This was a zone. If we drop it lower again, I will try open one more position, maybe on other exchanges, or maybe add the margin. So I explained my actions, right? So alerts still in play. I add my alerts also here at 13:27 around the break of structure on a daily, because a lot of altcoins now perform pretty good. And I think the SEI also can pump like 154 by middle of the May. That's why if I hold this position week or the two, I will be more than okay. That's why for me personally here, like 150%, so around 200% gains will be from the position. I will be more than happy and can close the trade. Maybe I will even close the 75% of position, add a stop loss to the break even, and leave just some 25% of position to the moon. Maybe we're gonna hit it, but I'm not sure because I just waste the time, with that stable coins. All right, so globally, of course, guys, this is a break of structure, what we need to break if we want to talk about higher targets. Right, so alerts added. In latest videos, I showed you, here was a good signal. Take profit, buy. This week, we also got a second signal on the weekly to buy. It doesn't mean, we can't drop lower. Yes, guys, everything possible, but we take an action or not. We invest or buy or purchase with futures trade, add stop loss, with remove stop loss. We take an action or not. So I take my action, right? And now I'm in trade. Of course, I missed a lot of other trades because I waited the Renzo. I waited the Outlier. This is my watch list. I'm still waiting the ICP. Flow, maybe I will re-enter if I got a chance. But now I'm in SEI, and maybe this weekend or the Friday, I will take a look some other trades. Maybe I will open the short position on the BTC. We will see. So locally, guys, updates. If you would like to open trade now, for example, or the buys for the spot, of course, we around the historical all-time low on a SEI. And if you take an action, you could be ready to see the correction. That's why you need to invest that money what you can afford to lose, or that money you don't need for the living, right? That's why if you're not ready to see the new all-time low historical one like minus 23% drop, better just skip the talk and find another one. If you're ready, you can accumulate for a long run if you believe in SEI. I not believe in any of these altcoins. For me, all of the alts absolutely the same story, just a pure speculation. For now, because the last 3 years showed us all of this fundamental story is just pure fake. It's not held at all the price on the charts. That's why for new entries here, if you would like to open trade now, add a stop loss, for example, with stack of leverage, it's going to be kind of big one, 24%. That's why if you're ready to see the stop loss 24%, it's okay, but with second leverage, or you can open the same leverage like I did. And it's with the second leverage will be like 28% against 240. So can be the 1-to-8 ratio. Maybe. That's why if, for example, now we will rebound to the 10 cents here. Maybe I will add just a stop loss to the break even and just await my target break of structure. All right, trade on, no signals to sell yet, even on the daily. Nice one. What is good with the SEI, 63% tokens in circulation supply, but I'm not built the craziest expectation for this one because the market capitalization is still high. That's a problem of the unlocks. And it's almost half billion, 416 million capitalization, FDV 600 million, and $1 price is say should reach like, I don't know, 7 billion market capitalization. I don't think so. But of course, guys, capitalization is just a formula. It's not how much money, how much liquidity into the coin. All right, ADZ direction, market smooth on a daily. It's neutral zone on ADZ. I highly recommend you use this set by yourself or any token would like it, right? Because it's give you a lot of additional data. That's why how I try to find and how to find the trades, for the tokens and for investments. No signal to buy. Now, the signal for accumulation was here, March 23 till April 5. So it was accumulation. After that, take a look. We trade and consolidate the same range, but no signal for accumulation. That's why keep in mind it, guys. It's not random. ADZ neutral direction, no signals to buy or sell. Market mood, it's like a trill zone, not a free yet. Accumulation since January, this one based on direction indicator, and accumulation based on ADZ. The biggest one was here at 6.1023. After that, we formed a divergence, and now we rebound. The road can be also for two favorable gap, 10 cents, round number also. It's a weekly favorable gap. After that, the fulfill 11.39. After that, another one is 11.91, and the break of structure, both. We're in capitulation zone since October 25. So the chart looks bullish, personally for me. I totally understand we can just rebound, cat bounce, and direct to the 2 cents, to 1 cent. Absolutely everything possible, guys. There's no guarantee. Here the money in was in February, now nothing, so keep in mind it. Also, the money in was here in end of the March on a daily. It was the best entry. If we'll see, for example, the local one here, this is also the break of structure. If we'll not see something like this one, I will be more than happy with the uptrend. But keep in mind, it's possible to see the sweep of this liquidity and going once again into correction to grab this liquidity. So work like from deviation at the top, deviation at the bottom on the local time frames. So keep in mind, it's for the May or the summer, even summer. Just I'd rather would like to see something like this one, definitely. No signal to money inflow, money outflow on money power indicator. Trade on. I showed you take profit, guys. Buy line retest. It's more than real to see. It's 4.1059. It's going to be another entry, the better one even than mine for the futures trade. Take profit line now, it's 9 cents 057. Exit line on the daily 10 cents 23. Fulfill all the weekly time frame. And this is another example, guys, why I waited the break of structure on the daily, because it's a test fundamental value below. It's 12.78. Take profit line. So this can be like a maximum for this year, or the next one is 33 cents. If you'd like to see the high targets, of course, guys, we need to wait. Firstly, take profit line test. After that, pay attention more for the timing, where we will be that time on the market cycle, right? If it can be like, I don't know, autumn 2026, and we're going to be here, probably it will be the sell time. Guys, write please in comment what you think about SEI. If you would like to trade as my customer, I will show it in this video. Right now, don't forget, Joe Matagam. See you next time, guys.